Welcome back, my friends, aspiring freelancers. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the endless possibilities in the freelance world, wondering how to find that perfect niche that not only fuels your passion, but also fills your wallet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to choosing the right freelance niche to maximize your success in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Why finding a niche is something crucial. First off, my friends, why finding a niche is something crucial? Okay, let's think together. Imagine trying to be as a beginner, everything to everyone. Sounds exhausting, right? So look, by focusing on a specific niche, you become an expert in that area, making it easier for you to attract clients who are willing to pay premium prices for your specialized skills. And as interesting fact supports you, my friends, specialized freelancers can earn up to 40% more than generalists, as recent freelance statistics 2024 indicate. Second step, identifying your skills and passions. Now, we'll apply the first step. So, how can I start, my friends? Simply, start by making a list of your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? The sweet spot lies at the intersection of your abilities and interests. Feel free to write everything in your own list. Here, great friends, I have collected for you these three elements we just mentioned in a Venn diagram highlighting skills, passions, and profitable niches to gain your ideal niche. Once you apply it on your own, you'll guarantee the successful beginning. Step 3. Market demand research. After identifying your ideal niche, friends, research the market demand. Tools like Google Trends can show you clearly what's hot. Also, browse freelance platforms to see which services are in high demand. This step ensures clearly there's a market for your niche. Here, my friends, we can see in a list the most potential profitable niches for 2025 using statics of Upwork platform. So, you can easily take a backup screenshot to guide you in your planning. And from personal experience, buddies, this tool might be the most important, but it can't be fully relied upon. So, to ensure proper niche selection, you must also look into market competition. This leads us to the next step. Let's go. Step 4. Analyze the competition. The longest step, but don't worry, it is not an encyclopedic work at all. It's to check out the competition as you can. A niche with too many freelancers might be saturated, while one with too few could indicate low demand. Look always for a niche with a healthy balance. Now let's take an example to apply this, my friends. Suppose I found niches that match my skills and are in demand in the market as follows. Then I analyzed the prevalence of freelancers of these services in the market, and it became clear to me what is in the chart. Now, this gradually means that 1. The most competitive niche is web development, with 180,000 freelancers. This clearly indicates high demand, but also intense competition. So, if you're considering web development, you'll need to identify a sub-niche, like e-commerce web development or custom WordPress themes, to stand out. 2. The moderately competitive niches are graphic design with 150,000 and content writing with 120,000, but they still offer room for specialization. For example, focusing on logo design, packaging design. 3. The less crowded niches are social media management, with 80,000 freelancers, and SEO, with 60,000. This suggests that these niches are less saturated and may provide easier entry points for new freelancers. So, based on that, friends, the smartest decision requires choosing a niche with fewer freelancers to start, such as SEO or social media management. If you see attentively, these niches still offer significant demand, and competition is more manageable. That's not the only choice, my friends, but it's the perfect for beginners. Or, if you're drawn to a highly competitive niche, like web development, it will be perfect to focus on honing a specialized skill or targeting a specific audience to increase success chances and reduce risks. Aim always for a niche with healthy competition, great friends, where you can differentiate yourself with unique skills or services to facilitate work and be able to sustain it in the long term. Now, we can see clearly where opportunities lie and make smarter decisions. Then, we can jump to the final step with full confidence. Let's jump together. Step 5. Test and validate your niche. The final step, friends, and the result we are all waiting for. So, to guarantee the success, it's almost healthy for your business to test your chosen niche. Offer services on a small scale to gauge interest and gather feedback. This real-world validation is invaluable. Bonus, you have the key to go ahead. In short, and rapidly friends, here are the 5 basic steps of our journey we mentioned to make things clearer and smoother for you. 1. Why finding a niche is something crucial. 2. Identifying your skills and passions. 3. Market demand research. 4. Analyze the competition. 5. Test and validate your niche. And finally, enjoy launching your own business. It might require a little effort, but with these steps, results will definitely be very rewarding. Now, it's your turn. What's your unique combination of skills and passions? Share in the comments below. I'd love to hear your niche ideas. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for Cashcraft 360 for more tips to boost your freelance career. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused. See you in the next step to your goal, my friends.